And speaking of Julie, let's get over to the Wi-Fi Interactive, because that's where we find you on this market sell-off Monday.
Yeah, market sell-off, it's a modest sell-off. We did have a higher open here. Right at the beginning, you see a tiny bit of green, and then we went back into the red for the major averages. So right now the Dow is down about 0.25%. The S&P 500 down about the same, and the Nasdaq leading the way to the downside. It's down about 0.5%. And speaking of that, let's take a look at some of the Nasdaq movers here. The Nasdaq 100, we've got Apple and Tesla as the largest cap standouts to the upside, but Amazon is down by almost 2% today. So is Nvidia. So seeing some pressure there. If we look on over at the sector action, energy is the only group that is in the green today. Communication services as well as materials are the biggest drags on the S&P 500. And I'm watching here sort of as we talk about a mixed picture across assets. We've got this risk off tenor now spreading to what's going on with cryptocurrencies as well, with Bitcoin and Ethereum trading down in today's session. But going back on over as we talk about these various asset classes today, as we have stocks trading higher today, or lower today, excuse me. We also have bonds trading lower, yields higher. So this correlation between the two is continuing. And finally, a quick check on oil prices here. We've got a little bit of pullback happening, which is interesting because we've got those energy stocks higher, but oil prices are lower.